Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your sponsor is blocked this merchant in Cash App. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so with your sponsor blocking the merchant, this is obviously going to hinder your ability to carry out transactions. So what we're going to need to do first of all is either communicate through the app to begin and reach out to your sponsor and inquire the reason of why they've blocked the merchant, politely ask them this, and then what you could do is ask them to contact the Cash App support and help facilitate the unblocking of this merchant if it's essential for you to continue transacting with this merchant. The next thing you're going to want to try is actually going to the chat support yourself and contacting Cash App support. So on your home screen then in the Cash App application, we're going to go to the top right hand corner and click on our profile icon, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom where we have the word support. So simply click on that one, and then in this section we're then going to click on chat right at the bottom where it says contact us. Okay, so this is going to open then a chat messaging service with the Cash App support team. So here we're just going to write in a simple easy message to just start the conversation. Hey there, could you help me unblock a merchant? Okay, so then we can send that over to the Cash App support. Bear in mind the Cash App support may ask for additional information on this merchant, so make sure you provide any relevant details to the support team in order for them to assist you in resolving the unblocking of the merchant. And that's it. That is how to fix your sponsor blocking a merchant on Cash App. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.